Hey guys, good morning! Welcome to another vlog. So we are off to our DevFed appointment and it's raining. So napapatulala na lang ako. But yeah, so biglaan siya. Ang hirap kasi kumuha ng appointment eh. So yeah, wait lang. The car is outside and it started to rain. Mamaya na ako magkwento sa inyo habang kiniheat up yung car. Okay, so wait. Lakas ng ulan na. Walking to the car. Ay! So excited na ako. Malaman ang DevFed results ni Zozo. Wait. Okay, so while heating up the car, yun. So yung DevFed pala. Okay, so DevPed, or in Alonzo's case na may CP siya, we call it Neurodevelopmental Pedia. So dito, i-check yung BMI ni Zoe. BMI ba? Ulit tawag doon. Basta BMI. So i-check doon yung age niya, kung ano yung age niya. Last time, I remember correctly, it was 2 years old and 9 months. So we will find out today after 6 months kung ilang taon na talaga si Zoe in terms of cognitive skills, physically, mentally, lahat yun. As in, check siya. So, I'm so excited. Actually, 10 a.m. ngayon and we need to be there by 12 noon. So, usually kasi umaalis ako at least 2 hours before kasi ang hirap ng parking doon. And I'm so excited and ang lakas rin ng ulan. Buti na lang maaga kami aalis. Maaga kami aalis. So, yeah, such a rainy month and a slow month sa aking business. But it's fine. Ang tagal uminit ng sasakyan. But yeah, kwentuhan is real ba? Ganyan. So, I love going to the DevPed because Dr. Katigbak, DevPed ni Zoe, really is the one who is like my control machine. Like, she tells me what to do next. Should I expect for this or should I not? Should I try this? Should I do this for Alonzo? Ang dami ang mga recommendations. There are others that, to be honest, I do disagree on. So I just listen and take it into consideration. But there are other things talaga never. Let's see. Again, at the end of the day kasi, bilang isang nanay, ako, with all the experience with Alonzo, I truly believe that it's always the mom, or me, like ako talaga nagde-decide kay Zoe. Yung mother instinct ko, lahat yun, ikaw yun. You know what's best for your kids. And that's always something that I say to mga nanay na may kids na may CP or special kids, na at the end of the day, ikaw magde-decide. You know what's best for your kids. So, okay na yung sasakyan. Let's pick up Alonzo inside and head off to Cardinal. Hi, Zozo! Are you ready for paseo again? But we're going to the doctor. Yes, we're gonna see Dr. Katigbak. Your DevPed, are you ready? Parang yan din yung suot mo nung last DevPed mo. Pero sige. May uniform ka ba? Ha? Yeah. Hi! Let's go! Okay, so we got McDo. Ay, pwede ba sabihin? So, nag-drive-thru kami because matagal-tagal po kami maghihintay sa DevPed and gusto ko busog yung dalawa kong ano ba tawag na? Si Ate Josie. So, yan.
Mga lali.
Yeah, mga lali. Ganyan. Kasi guys, it will take us around, depende kay Zoe actually. Kung magawa ni Zoe lahat ng kailangan gawin and hindi siya mag-tantrums, right Zoe?
May gagawin.
Yes. First time kasi ni Yaya. So, and Ate Josie. So, actually kasi dati mag-isa lang ako pumupunta doon. So, now kasama ko sila and I will let them join me inside para makita nila yung mga pinapagawa kay Zoe. It usually takes about, yung last time 2 hours. Pero yung unang-una niya, grabe guys, 4 hours kami ata dun. Basta it takes so much time sa deathbed. Zoe! So we're just waiting for our food. And then off we go to Cardinal kasi nagugutom na rin ako. So it's 10:30. We have an hour and a half to go. And yes, my love. Hi. Are you excited? Nagpasayo ka na naman. Ayan. Gusto niya dyan. Ayan, kulit-kulit na niya. Soon, magka-car seat na kami. Isang kulit na niya talaga. Aray. We were able to get parking right away. Thank you, Lord. Yan. Number 1 kasi dito sa Cardinal, hirap ng parking kaya maaga kami. So, it is 11:41. We have 15 minutes to spare. So, sana we make it. At hindi tayo dinaan. Second floor tayo. So, okay. Okay, so we're here na. Are you ready? Ready, buddy? So, nandito na kami. We made it just in time. Oh, sorry. So, yay! Okay, we talked about it, ha? No tantrums, right? No tantrums. Okay? No tantrums, ano pa? Bawal, ano pa? No crying. Listen. Okay, listen. Okay. And then, whatever the doctor asks you to do, can you please do it? Excuse me, patay. Anak, dito pa lang sa labas. Pasawag ka na. Ha? Ready? Okay, you're next na daw. You're next na, ha? Kaya mo yan, ha? Good luck, buddy. Say bye-bye. You ready ka na? This is good. But no eating. Anak, baka lahat ng bibigay sa'yo ni Doc mamaya kakainin mo. Kaya nga lahat. Guys, sobrang grateful ako sa kanila. Kasi dati mag-isa lang ako. Ngayon, andyan na sila para tulungan ako. And si Zuzu.
Okay, now we're going to shoot those. Okay. Oh, you know the first one already. Go ahead. Why?
He's in that stage now of putting everything inside his mouth.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go shoot. Shoot. Also, you can do it. Shoot.
Let go, buddy. Buddy. You can do
The next one. Okay, let's shoot that one. Okay, okay. Oh, that's so yummy. Yes.
Yeah, we're in that stage now.
Okay. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
That's enough.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough, Daddy. Okay, now we shoot it. We shoot the toy. Okay. Next one. Next. We're on to our next already. Next one is color red. Okay, let's match. Shoot to the red cup. In the red cup. Come on.
Can you focus first? You usually can do that by yourself.
Where's the red cup? Put in the red cup.
No, he wants though. He wants.
Oh, you want?
That's his yes.
Oh, yes?
That's
You
his
want?
yes. Yes.
Who? Bluey or these toys? These toys? Si Bluey ata yung taking. Yes, yan. Or smiling. Or affirmative too. Okay. Alright. Go, you can do it. Shake it.
There, look at mommy will do it. Oh. Hold. Diba? There. And then shake. Oh, your turn.
Your turn.
Ganyan po ayaw niya.
Go, your turn. It's your turn. Pick it up and shake it. Go ahead.
You can do it, Zoe.
Smile siya.
Hmm. No, mommy won't do it for you. Come on, you can do it by... No?
Okay.
No, not mommy. Not mommy. Or you wanna dance with it? Are you wanna dance? Ten, ten, ten. Ten, ten, ten. Zoe's turn.
Your turn also.
You're dancing to the song.
The dance siya to the sounds.
Wow! Yun yung kembot po niya. Yes.
Slow motion na.
Yes.
But it is a dance step.
Yes, he's dancing. That's him dancing. Hi, Baba. Haya, ginagawa mo Tagalog talaga eh, no? Dapat diba, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hindi eh.
Mas gusto yun.
Tagalog eh. Oo.
So, right now sa motor, total natin 1.11. So, we have 4 months gain.
Okay.
Both for the fine motor and gross motor skills. Tapos, for the communication, understanding part or receptive language is now at 3.2. Ito yung mga following and understanding commands. Expressive language, 1 year, 7 months. No? We've considered all the gestures and visuals and body language and facial expression as a form of his expressive language.
Okay.
So, total of 2.2 now. No? Ang cognitive natin, ganun din. Movement natin is 4 months improvement. We are now at 3 year and 3 months. So, ang movement natin is a memory skills, attention to details, and ability to visually scan.
Okay.
So, yun sa form boards.
No, verbal ba
Visual scanning na. I think, naman, somewhat school ready.
Yes, I know.
Somewhat school ready. Diba kasi 3.3 is nursery?
Yes.
Or pre-nursery. Oh, so pwede naman na nga. Social skills is 2.6. Ang hirap kasi na nating sukatin. Most of the social skills now would need talking.
Well,
Like, kamusta ka na? How
yeah,
are you?
that's true.
What's
Yeah.
your name? How old are you? So, medyo hirap. Plus, we don't really have the environment yet to measure peer interaction.
okay.
We haven't.
Okay. Yeah, we haven't actually.
We haven't actually. So, I'm not
Wala pa
I
yung...
cannot measure anything.
Yes,
when it comes to the peer interaction. Malaki na yung bulk natin ng personal social skills at his age na
Okay.
measured by peer interaction. No? So,
Yeah.
but not because he cannot do it, but maybe due to lack of opportunities pa.
Yes.
No? Kasi nga, ngayon pa lang tayo mag-school entry.
Magsa-school na siya.
Tapos ang adaptive, well, ito kasi yung sa kanyang feeding pa rin. No? So, 1.10. So, ang chance natin umusad sa adaptive is the remove his socks, remove his shorts.
Okay.
Total by manual coordination is better now. Baka that's something feasible to do na.
Okay.
Okay? So, overall, we are now at 2.3-year-old. Or the
Okay.
total age equivalent.
Okay.
So, like I said, we can do na SPED program. One-on-one setup with once to twice a week na socialization opportunities. The only reason naman why I'm choosing one-on-one na majority of the session is because of the motor limitations.
Oh,
No,
okay.
kasi
But he could join like... I just did my research.
Oh.
Parang kinder music, pwede yun.
Pwede naman, but walang masyadong academics yun. That's really just...
Yeah, parang na for peer, parang
Oo.
lang, okay
Oo.
lang yun.
Okay lang. Okay lang din. Pero that's mostly for peer interaction lang yun.
Okay.
Wala pa tayo masyado dun sa mga concepts. Like color, shapes, letters,
yeah.
ganyan. So, yun pa lang siya. Okay lang din yun. Mas meron lang pre-academic program kasi si SPED program. Mas nakapasok sa programa natin. So, technically, something new.
Okay.
Something new, no? Dun sa ating mga interventions naman, the PT, we just continue it twice a week. So, more on the balance and coordination na talaga tayo and self-mobility, yung ating focus. Occupational therapy, ganun din, twice a week. Dinagdag ko si mental flexibility na bonggang-bongga kasi nga, pumapattern lang siya at saka routine bound. So, yan yung idadagdag natin.
Yes.
Tapos sa speech therapy, we can resume once co-treatment with OT is feasible. So, technically, we can do once a week with AAC. So, yun, that's how we do co-treatment. We overlap the 30 minutes of the 1-hour session.
Okay.
Together with the OT. Para the OT can help the speech therapists make him follow.
Okay.
No? So, para lang at least meron tayong solid 30 minutes na hindi siya masyadong defiant or hindi siya masyadong refusing tasks, etc. etc. So, kasi nga, kung hindi natin maiko-co-treat, parang useless lang siya eh. Parang
actually, that's what happened in our first therapy, di ba, before home. So, sa iba kami, wala silang OT. But OT and PT nung time yun, needed to work hand on hand eh.
Yes.
That's why we had to transfer eh.
So, yun, magiging useless kasi siya kung hindi mako-co-treat with the OT kasi nga, mahirapan si speech to make him follow the specific activities.
Okay.
So, yun. And then, you just continue yung ating buong team, naman napakadami. At di ko pa nasama dyan yung pediatric surgeon natin. So, si Dr. Lagdameo galit din sa akin. Okay.
Kailangan niyo po lagay yan. Magagalit.
Yun, temporero yun.
Sobra.
Oo. Okay, tapos ito, but you're welcome to any school naman. If you think na you found a school na mas fits your needs right now, okay lang naman.
Okay.
So, yun lang naman yung overall general guidance natin.
Okay.
So, we want a SPED program. Most days would be one-on-one, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday would be one-on-one, then maybe Thursday and Friday would be with a small group of 3 to 5 students.
Pero, Doc, we could still maintain hongs, and then we will just add na lang, no? Okay.
Kaya nga, if
wala namang, naman yun, effect. Di ba, bobad sila, tapos, wala naman. Okay.
This is mostly uupo siya, like what we're doing now.
Okay, got it.
School
Okay.
talaga. School.
As in school.
May backpack, may,
overwhelm ako, pero,
may snack, o kung ano mang equivalent
so,
natin.
magba-backpack na siya,
Oo,
ganon, magbibihis na
may,
siya.
May towel, may ano siya.
Okay.
Meron siyang, di ko
I
maisip
never
paano
imagine,
ang recess natin.
I
Ano
never
equivalent.
imagined that we would hit this far, but I'm so happy.
That's the no child left behind policy. Every time they will reach 5 years old, no matter what, they should be in school.
Okay.
They should be in school.
Yeah,
Kasi
buti nga may policy na
no
gano'n
child left behind policy tayo, K-12. So, from 5 years old onwards, each child should be in school. Tayo mag-a-adjust kung anong school ang nararapat para sa kanila. But at that age, he should be in school no matter what.
Okay, got
So,
that.
we will adjust na lang. So, if what he can within his capabilities right now is one-on-one combined with socialization opportunities, yun yung we feel that's deemed more fit sa kanya at this time.
Okay.
And then, if he's better with self-mobility, mas gagawin na natin small group talaga.
Okay.
Like regular 3 to 5 student class na siya.
Okay.
Na may regular classmates na siya.
Okay.
Para at least ma-develop din natin yung areas of his growth and development na nangangailangan ng more steady na peer interaction opportunities. No? Kasi yun yung hindi natin masyadong natatouch on dun sa ating mga PT, OT, at saka speech. No? Malay mo, kasi some patients of mine, whenever they are in the company of peers, bumabait sila. Gumagawa sila, cooperate sila.
Kasi nakikigaya na rin eh.
Sa ko sinundan mo, hindi nagko-color yun ever dito, pero may video si Mami dun sa school. Color away, as in, like,
like here nga, diba, he didn't even...
She never colored in, like she never colored in her entire life.
Just doon.
Color away, as in 3 pages, 5 pages of figures, color away siya. Kasi, Meron siyang 6 na kaklase
Na ginagawa.
na lahat nagko-color. So, pag hindi siya nag-color, siya lang ang maiiba.
Yes, so dapat sumunod rin. Correct.
Oo, kasi para join siya dun sa group.
Yes.
Para,
Sana
siya,
so si Zoe baka
para in siya.
mawala yung kain ng sa mouth niya.
Pwede. So, yun nga. So, these are the things that we would want to explore also
Okay.
and find out how he would react to this new learning environment. Baka tayo ang ma-surprise ng ano yung
Kung ano yung
extent of what he
mangyayari.
can do,
So
how he
happy
would
lang.
react, diba?
Yeah.
Kasi, yun nga, we have never really explored pa this form of learning environments.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay guys, we're done. I'm just heating up the car again. And I'm gonna fetch them sa lobby kasi nga masyadong mainit dito sa parking. But I'm so happy, I'm so overwhelmed. Ewan ko na, intindihan nyo ba yung sinabi ni Doc? Basta basically, magsa-school na si Zoe. So, kailangan niya na mag-start ng school. And then, continue pa rin siya sa OT and PT. And I have to find another therapy center, not in Hongs, but a different therapy center, which focuses on oral placement therapy and speech therapy. So I have to look for another therapy for that. And then next naman po is PT continuous, and then I have to siguro magpagawa ng parang standard so that he could independently stand on his own, meaning my bar. So I'm gonna do my research about that. And then next and lastly, I made a mistake yung sa unang part ng vlog ko. I actually said 2.9 years old. Apparently pala 2 years old lang siya nung November 25, 2024. Ngayon, nasa 2 years old na siya in 3 months level. Baka sabihin niya, Mommy, Jana, bakit ang baba? Or dapat, syempre sa galaw ni Zoe, dapat kahit pa paano 3 years old, ganon. Kasi, as what Doc nga said kanina, dahil nga hindi siya nakakakain, bawas points yun. Syempre, speaking as well, no voice. Syempre, it's not pala BMI. Sa gym pala yun, sinasabi ko. BDI pala, Brain Developmental. Ano ito? BDI means inventory. So, battle pala. So, yun. So, developmental inventory. So, may computation for that eh. So, based on the computation, yun, based on the computation po, 2 years old and 3 months po si Alonzo. Again, dahil nga may certain things na medically hindi niya nagagawa, which is speaking, swallowing, eating, ang laking bagay na yun. Tapos, visual impaired pa. So, meaning, dahil sa taas ng grado dahil sa mataas na grado ng mata niya, part rin yun. So, ang daming ganap. So, kaya, yung 2 years old and 3 months niya is really based on what he's showing right now or what he can present himself. So, I'm happy. I'm actually very, very overwhelmed. Ewan ko nakikita nyo yun kanina. Kanina ko pa sinasabi na super overwhelmed ako sa ganap. Kasi, ayoko umiyak! But I never imagined na mag-school si Zoe. Hindi talaga, hindi ko ma-imagine or never ko na-imagine na mag-school si Alonzo. Nasa isip ko lang na take it one step at a time. Pero when I heard Doc said na, he's 5 years old na, sped na siya. Hands down ako kay Alonzo. He's such a strong boy. Now it gives me more energy, more motivation to work harder. Kasi for sure na naman, gastos na naman to. But anyway, God is great, God is good. Alonzo is the best thing that happened to my life. And he's such an amazing boy and I'm so proud of him. Anyway, I need to go na pala. I have to fetch him. Dada ako na naman dito. Ang dadal ko na naman. But I'm so happy. So I'm gonna fetch them na and you'll see Zoe in a while. Sila! Zoe! Good job, Zoe! Good job, Ate Josie. Good job, Yaya. You can do it, Ate. Go, go, go! Mabigat siya.
Sige, sige. Yeah.
Zozo! You're going to school na! Are you excited? Di naman ako hindi na siya. Hi!
Bakpak na si, ano.
Ano, ready ka na to go to school? Si Mama hindi pa prepared. We have to talk to Dada about your school. Ha? To talk to Dada? Huh? What? Excited ka na? Yee! Alonzo is a big boy na! Okay guys, so pagdating ko dito sa office, ang dami palang ganap dito and I had to work right away and I was crying to Mom. Actually, you can see that in my Facebook page and my TikTok page. I was sharing about how overwhelmed I was. Until now, I'm still overwhelmed actually. And good news, we were able to find a school already dito sa may Antipolo and hoping on this Wednesday, magkakaroon na siya ng trial, a free trial. So, ang bilis no, ang bilis ng ganap. Kwento ko lang kay Mama. Naghanap na si Mom ng school for Alonzo, which I'm so happy. I'm still overwhelmed with all of this. And yun nga, nakalimutan ko rin mag-outro dito sa YouTube ko. So anyway, I have to get back to work and I'm so happy with everything that's been happening. Yes guys, visit na kayo dito sa J&A. Ito yung labas ng office namin. And ayan, quick tour ko na kayo. And then, ayan, nagla-live si Edna. Say hi, Edna! Ayan. So anyway, sa kabilang, sa office po namin, sa kabila, eto. Yan dyan. Secret nangyayari dyan. Kasi ilo-launch natin yun sa July 18. But anyway guys, Alonzo is going to school. I have to go, I have to get back to work. But yeah, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Almost 100K na. So see you guys on our next vid. Bye!